OSK is warning investors to be very careful with the recent market rally and warn investors that have yet to jump into the rally to be extra cautious before joining in as fundamentals have not improved. Speaking to reporters after its AGM, non-independent non-executive director Ong Leong Huat said global markets have yet to bottom and is still deteriorating as retrenchment and unemployment is still on the rise.
People will argue that, you see, okay, stock market always run ahead of economy. But I don't think you can argue that point at this instant of time.
Okay.
You know? So if you ask me, I would think that, you see, the present, you know, this is what I call the phenomenal surge of the market in certain jurisdictions to offer 20-30%, to me is a reflection just like a mirage in the desert. Problems are still very much there, you know. If you look at the difficulties in resolving the global financial system, you know, nobody has really been able to really come up with a definitive solution as to how they can solve them. Everybody is only expecting hope against hope. By prime pumping, you know, by this, by that, you know, direct investment, bailing out banks, you know, this and that. You know, but then the other thing is the great uncertainty about the what we call the severity of the recession. Nobody knows now how severe can the world recession can be. You know, because if you look at it, it's getting worse.
However, in Malaysia, Ong says the country is in a better situation as it is resource-based, supported by the palm oil, timber, oil and gas industries, which make up a big amount of the economy. Meanwhile, on another matter, OSK is expecting positive earnings in 2009, with the biggest contributor from its foreign subsidiary and investment banking segments.
Our foreign subsidiaries will be able to do better. You know, last year, you know, we just started in Indonesia, Cambodia, and all that. The startup cost is heavy. So I think all the business are now getting momentum, growing, and then I think we should be able to do better, you know, a better contribution from the foreign outfits.
And investment banking.
Yes. Last time when we started the foreign entities, we are talking about 25%. But I think now we are talking about this year we expect 40%.
40% to revenue. And the
Profit.
Profit.
Yeah.
PBT.
Net profit.
Yeah.
PBT.
Yeah.
Ong adds OSK would focus on expanding its businesses in current markets in Indonesia, Cambodia and China, and will not enter new markets for the time being. He says despite bad times, people would still need OSK services and advice to do business.